Greetings! In this video, I want to show you what to do and how to fix a warning light that is either red or orange, and it's an exclamation point that stays on your dashboard, and you can see there it's in brackets, but the difference with this one is it's got like a little tire tread below it. That's basically the shape of a tire that you're looking at. Now conversely, if you have a warning light that's an exclamation point that's red or orange, that's got a circle around it, and it's got like a bracket around the circle that looks like this, that's actually a warning light for your brake system. Either something's wrong with one of your brakes or the brake fluid is lower. So you'll have to get that checked out. Now with the tire pressure, that's pretty simple. So only thing I want to do is check each individual tire. This is an older vehicle. This is a 2012 Chevy Malibu, but I don't care if you have a Toyota, Ford, Honda, Kia, Hyundai, whatever you have. It's the same. It's universally the same warning light that you got a low tire if it looks just like that. Now the newer vehicles have an indicator that shows which tire is low, whether it's the front left passenger or whatever, and it'll tell you what the tire pressure is. Universally, usually, the tire pressure on each tire, I don't care if it's a van, a car, or an SUV, is 32 psi. That's pounds per square inch. So what I'm going to do is I want to go across each tire and check that every one of them is 32. I guarantee you, since this light is on, one of them is low. And then I'm going to use my own personal tire pump to pump it up. I'd highly recommend you get one. If you don't, you can get them for 30 bucks off of Amazon, a tire pump. And so you don't have to keep going to the gas station and filling it up. And let's go ahead and go and check the tire pressure. So I want to go to each individual tire, and I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get a tire gauge like this. But pretty much what you do is you stick it on there, and you look in here on this gauge here, and it'll tell you what the pressure is. So this one looks like it's only 25, so most likely I need to fill this one up at 32. Expect in colder weather that in wet weather that the tire will expand and contract a lot. So sometimes it'll be low in the morning when you wake up, and then it'll actually go back to normal at the evening. But if it hovers around 28 or 30 psi, you're fine, but you don't really want to get lower than that. One thing I'll put in the comment section as well, and I'll put a link to the video, is if you have a tire that you have to fill up, you fill it up a week later, you still get the warning light, you have to fill it up again. A week later, you have to fill it up again. If it's a slow leak like that, most likely you got like a little small pinhole in one of the tires. And what I'd highly recommend you do is use Fix-A-Flat. You can get this for 10 bucks off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the comment section where you can get one of these. You basically fill it up, and then you drive around the block, and the liquid will find the hole. It'll seal it up, and you don't have to spend $500 or, well, not $500, but you won't have to spend $100 on a tire repair. You can do it yourself. And I'll put a link to not only where you can get this, but I'll actually link up a video that I made on how to use Fix-A-Flat. Alright, thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe.